You ever been in the middle of a herd of pigs? Well, it happens sometimes at Forevermost Farms. Their pastured pork operation is wonderful. This is the meat that we use with Chef Josh of the Southern Standard. We're here just to learn a lot more. Steve finally made it up to the farm.
Been waiting for it.
Excited. So, want to make sure that we highlight the big benefits of what's going on right here. So, what is the number one thing that the pigs have done to improve the property?
Well, we actually use them to clear our land. We're not using tillers and things that can hurt. We're on top of a mountain, so when they get it, it's pretty poor dirt. It's bad. Nothing's ever been here. And then we let them come in and completely clear the land. We come back over the top with food that's good for animals. Yeah. Not just fescue, Kentucky 31. We're putting ryegrass and millet and clover and all kinds of legumes. It's the stuff that they make food out of.
Yeah.
We're giving it to them as grass.
It's right growing there.
Right there on the ground.
What they'll do is they'll come in here and the underbrush, root up the little saplings and stuff.
Yeah.
Expose the ground, and you come back with some seeds and things that you want.
Yes. So if you'll look out in the woods right here, they haven't got to those woods yet, and it's just junk. Yeah. You know, it's little sapling trees and stuff you don't want on the property, and we'll go in like this and we'll knock over the cedars. They'll eat everything else. Yeah. They pull it up. We had a whole briar patch over here. Couldn't even walk in it, and 2 weeks later, it was dirt. So we leave them on there about 2 or 3 weeks. We kind of watch the ground, and then we'll open up more land.
So it's just moving them from spot to spot, clearing, opening it up, get it how it's more productive.
Yes, and it's called regenerative agriculture.
Right.
And we have paddocks. So we're building some permanent paddocks, and you'll see we'll come in with some stronger materials.
So you're not using pesticides and herbicides to kill life?
Nothing. We don't have any sides.
No sides.
Insecticides, herbicides, pesticides, no chemical fertilizer, no hormones, no steroids, no anything.
No antibiotics.
No antibiotics
hogs.
anywhere. Yeah.
And the really cool thing you were telling me about earlier is you're one of kind of the very few that's using non-GMO feed for the forested pastured pork.
Yes, it's expensive. So I understand why people don't do it, but we wanted to create a product that was the best product in Arkansas. And by doing that, you can't have not GMO feed and still have the best product. So all of ours, we bring our feed in 3 tons at a time. We're gonna start doing it 12 tons at a time. Yeah. And that's our supplement. Their main feed is the insects and grubs and legumes on the ground, and we just supplement it with that non-GMO. And it gives it a better taste. It's better tasting, and it's better for the environment.
I love it.
We want to leave this better than we got it. And
that's regenerative in a nutshell, isn't it?
It is, and it's also good. It draws down carbon out of the atmosphere. It's just all around a better product. You're not on feedlots, you're not on concrete. Yeah. These pigs are being raised like pigs are supposed to be raised. It's natural.
All right, I want you to tell us about a product that Chef Josh is super, super excited about.
We started producing what's called Arkansas Shoulder Bacon. So everybody loves the Boston butt and the shoulder off the pig, and they make barbecue out of it. Well, we go in, and there's a specific muscle group, and even the Arkansas General Assembly has defined it. You cannot have Arkansas shoulder bacon unless it's a specific shoulder group grown in Arkansas in the wild. So there's not a whole lot of it out there, and it is amazing. Like if you like bacon, and there's not a lot of people that don't like bacon, it's the step up from bacon.
That's high praise.
It is. So everybody's got to try it. It's hard to believe. It's meatier, it's richer, and you can make big slices of it. So we're going to get that cut up, and y'all are going to be one of the only ones we sell it to.
Love it. You find it on the Southern Standard as the BLT.
Oh, when he was telling me about the BLT made with Arkansas shoulder bacon, heirloom tomatoes, he's gonna make basil aioli or something to go on it.
He gets crazy with it.
It's so exciting to come out here to Forevermost Farms and look and find out where our pigs are coming from, what kind of food they're eating, and I'm so excited to have Berkshire shoulder bacon gonna be on the food truck. I can pretty much guarantee that nobody in Arkansas is doing that.
I cannot wait to taste that, and especially when it's gonna be Berkshire, which is the best tasting pig on the planet.
And so Berkshire is the black hogs with the white kind of outlines,
Yes,
features.
it's called 5 Point. So they've all 4 legs and their nose is white. And they're all through here, like back behind us. And they actually, the meat has a higher degree of acid. Iowa State University did a study to find out why Berkshire tastes better, because they do taste better. And they found out that the acid level was higher, so it helps break down the meat. It makes it more tender.
Interesting.
And it also has intermuscular fat like an Angus cow does.
Yeah.
They're really gonna want to try it. So
I love it. Well,
glad to be partnering with you.
Thanks for having us out, brother. Our visit today is the perfect summary of what we're trying to accomplish with regenerative agriculture, locally, humanely raised animals, all coming together for a food truck and the market. Thank you for watching, and we'll keep the videos coming.